Have you ever looked at your life and felt like nothing is changing? You wake up every morning, do the same things, meet the same people, and still feel empty inside. You wonder, why is my life not moving forward? The truth is, your life changes the moment your thoughts change because everything begins in the mind. What do you think every day slowly becomes your reality. Hello everyone, welcome to my bright path. In today's episode, I want to share some life-changing thoughts that can completely transform the way you see yourself and your life. These are not just words, these are truths that have the power to change how you think, how you feel and how you live. So, first one is your thoughts shape your reality. Every thought you think is like a seed. If you keep planting negative thoughts, I can't do this, my life is bad, nothing works for me, then how will anything grow? But when you start thinking, I can try, I can learn, maybe this time it will work, slowly your life starts to change. Always remember what you focus on grows, so focus on hope, not fear. Number two, you are not your past. Everyone has made mistakes, everyone has been hurt. But your past is not your final story. You are not defined by what happened to you are defined by what you choose to become after that. The past is a lesson, not a life sentence. Forgive yourself for what went wrong and thank yourself for how far you have come. Every morning is a new beginning, the sun rises again, and so can you. Number three, believe in yourself. Most people fail not because they are weak, but because they stop believing in themselves. You are stronger than you think. You have survived every bad day till now. That means you have the strength to survive more. When you say to yourself, I can do it, your mind starts working in your favor. But when you say, I can't, your mind finds reason to prove it. So today, promise yourself you will never doubt your own power again. Number four, let go of what hurts. Sometimes we keep holding on to things, a person, a memory, or a situation that gives us pain. We think if we hold on, it will get better, but the truth is, holding on keeps you stuck. Letting go doesn't mean you stop caring, it means you stop allowing pain to control your peace. When you release what's heavy, you make space for what's meant for you. Peace is not something you find outside, it starts inside your heart. Number 5. Be grateful. Gratitude is the key to happiness. When you start saying thank you for small things, your bed, your food, your family, your health, you realize how blessed you already are. Gratitude turns an ordinary day into a blessing. It makes your heart calm and your mind peaceful. Remember, when you are grateful, you attract even more reasons to be grateful. Life is not about waiting for big changes to happen, it's about changing small thoughts every day. Think positive, speak kindly, and trust that better days are coming. Because the more you feed your mind with good thoughts, the more your life will shine. Change starts with one small decision, the decision to think differently. So, from today, choose hope over fear, choose peace over pain, and most importantly, choose yourself because you are worth it. Thank you for listening to My Bright Path. I hope these life changing thoughts help you see life in a new way. If you like this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below and tell me which thought touched your heart the most. Remember, your thoughts create your world, so think bright, live bright, and walk on your own bright path.